Yeah, so this is my 2013 Porsche Panamera. Need to change the light. Took it already out, so you can see I already started. Tail light's broken. Normal thing with these cars. The other one is in good condition, it's pretty clean. But I wasn't going to change one because these cars have the majority of them, from what I see, they have this issue where the left light cracks, and then the left light cracks and dims, and the right light's always in decent condition. Like, this is my light over here. I apologize, it's kind of windy out here. Just need to get this done. What I did is I replaced it with the newer lights. It's a 970 chassis. If you know about these Porsche Panameras, it's a 970. 971 got a different style of taillights. But in order for me to put those taillights on this car, I have to change the rear bumper. But fortunately, they make a light that's cut for they make a 971 light that's cut for the 970 bumper. And this is what I have right here. Aftermarket, not original, not a Porsche part, but you know, it's better than that. So again, took it out to the 213s. Got 213 T30s from T25s. Took them out from the side in here, and boom, the light came out. Took these out. Thought I had to take these. I thought these bolted into the light, but I was definitely wrong because these have nothing to do with the light being in here. So I gotta put these bolts back in. I guess this for this piece. Yeah, so this piece is loose now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these lights in. Put this light in and see how it works. It's supposed to have like some sort of light show when you plug it into at first startup. The aftermarket one I'm talking, of course. So we're gonna see how they look, see how it comes about. I'm about to put them in right now. So I put everything together, everything working perfectly. I know the camera can't really pick up the LED. That's the indicator on. I turn on the headlights. Again, it's going to flicker on the camera. It's a light. Long beam that goes around here, comes under here too. You can see it from the distance. Yeah, can't really see it on the camera. Can't pick up LEDs. But yeah, so that's the light right there. Yeah, it makes the back look good. Makes the back, it updates the back. Gives it a fresher, newer look. As I said before, this is like a 2016, 17 and up, 18 look. This car's a 13. You know, just refreshes it a little bit. Yep, all right, that's it.